Well, I took my mini bike around the block to test my ride. I inflated all the wheels that somehow have been filled with slime. But I watched the sun go round the dark side of monsoon. Sky felt not much left to do, yeah. I watch the sun go round the dark side of monsoon. After all I do, it had to be something for you too. I really don't rhyme, well, dad puns how and when, as long as the camera's on in the end. If we get lazy, will we be Project Sullivan? If we acquire wealth, will you still share and comment this plan? We'll keep you supplied with our Sullivan delight Minibike. There's something wrong, there is no squeak, my brakes are gone, you piece of I flew, crash landed on some pines, my cable let me down. I fumbled in, I would be dead if not for debris in my hard head. At your own risk, it turns out it's not messing around. If we get lazy, will we be Project Sullivan? If we acquire wealth, will you still share and comment this plan? We'll keep you supplied with our Sullivan delight Minibike. I get 70 miles to the gallon on this hog.
Just when I think you couldn't get any dumber, you do something like this.
And totally redeem yourself!
If we get lazy, will we be Project Sullivan? If we acquire wealth, will you still share and comment this plan? We'll keep you supplied with our Sullivan delight Minibike, yeah! If we get lazy, will we be Project Sullivan? If we acquire wealth, will you still share and comment this plan? We'll keep you supplied with our Sullivan delight Minibike. Whoa, whoa, whoa.